Hey everybody, Ryan Huggins here. So today we're going to talk about the final stage of the game, level 12. We're fighting the boss here. And in level 12, this one is about forgiveness. So forgive people who you think have wronged you in any way. And so what I'm going to do is go over some notes here about forgiveness. And I have a list of people here that I'm going to forgive. And I'll do it in a little unique way, which you'll be able to take a look at here in just a second. So when you forgive people, it allows you to forgive yourself. This allows us to heal inside and also out. Forgiveness is a conscious, deliberate decision to release feelings of resentment and vengeance towards a person or group who have harmed you, regardless of whether they deserve it or not. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting, nor does it mean condoning or excusing the offense. Forgiveness brings the forgiver peace of mind and frees you from corrosive anger so you can heal and move on with your life. So I'm going to read that again. Forgiveness does not mean forgetting, nor does it mean condoning or excusing the offense. Forgiveness brings the forgiver peace of mind and frees you from corrosive anger so you can heal and move on with your life. So some super powerful stuff there. And it is tough because sometimes when someone wrongs you, you just have a grudge against them for the rest of their life, and it does weigh heavy on you. And so I was doing this exercise. This exercise took me the longest of any of the levels here, and it has been quite it's been quite relieving. I've been able to relieve some stress. It's been able to let me, it's like, I don't even know how to explain it, but I just feel free. I feel happy, even though I got screwed over pretty heavily. I don't really care anymore. I just got to let it go, because what can I do anyway besides, hurting myself by holding a grudge? So Colossians 3:13 says, "Bear with each other and forgive one another. If any of you has a grievance against someone, forgive as the Lord forgave you." Philippians 4:13 says, "I can do all things through him who gives me strength." And then Proverbs 3:5 and 6 says, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight." So forgiveness, right? So forgive others not because they deserve forgiveness, but because you deserve peace. The reason that you have to forgive is because if you carry that anger in your heart, you're actually punishing yourself, and it continues to punish you forever until you release that. When you punish yourself, you can't move forward, and you won't be able to see all of the vision of success that you should attain. Basically, your path will have obstructions, and you're actually blocking yourself by having these fears, angers, and frustrations. Learn to forgive yourself. That's obviously the hardest one. It's almost easier to forgive other people, but to forgive yourself, it is very, very difficult. But learn to do that, because it is very powerful for you. No one is perfect, and you should forgive yourselves every day. Only God can judge you. So every day you wake up, you should forgive yourself for what you've done in the past, for anything. Let yourself be free every morning. Be grateful, and don't hold a grudge against yourself for something you did in the past. If you have people to forgive, don't wait any longer. Now is the time. Here's what you can do. You can say these things to help release you from the bindings that you are by holding on for that grudge. So to forgive, it's very simple. What you're going to say is this: "I forgive myself for believing that person who abandoned, rejected, abused me still has the power over my life." So I forgive myself for believing that person who abandoned, rejected, abused me still has power over my life. No one has power over your life but you. Also, you're going to say, "I forgive myself for believing the way to protect myself was to stay mad at them." Again, I forgive myself for believing the way to protect myself was to stay mad at them. So make sure you forgive yourself. Again, this is a great exercise to do anytime. Just make sure you keep on forgiving, and that way you can take the weight of the world off your shoulders and just be free. Another thing that's really interesting here that was covered is the other side of forgiving somebody is the realization that the only person I really need to forgive is myself. So this whole exercise, it really boiled down to that. Forgiving other people allows you to forgive yourself as well. So make sure you're forgiving yourself. Now, I'm going to forgive some people here, and I'm just going to send it up into the universe for them to be forgiven forever. I forgive you. You no longer have any power over me. I forgive myself for holding on to the anger against you. So everybody, again, forgive those people that need to be forgiven, and forgive yourself. Thank you again. It's Ryan Huggins. Please join my team. This was Mindset360. Huge transformation for myself and other people that have been taking this course. Play the game. It is free. You can join my team personally. I will work with you. www.winwithryan.com, www.winwithryan.com, or click the link above. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate your time, and have a wonderful day. Peace be with you. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple different sources and on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities on a continuous basis from multiple different sources. Have a great day.